Crystalline Silva. I graduated from Fruitport High School, and I took commercial art at the Career Tech Center. I decided to attend the Tech Center because I had a friend who was going through the commercial art program, and she told me how awesome it was. And then I also learned I could get credit through MCC. I thought I'd utilize that to my advantage. I think what I liked the most, or what I got out of my experience at the Career Tech Center, was actually getting out into the industry and learning things that were going to directly affect my work outside of school. And then just the different projects we worked on was really cool. And having an internship opportunity was really appealing. Well, I started with commercial arts at the CTC class, which got me into an internship at Graphics House. I started with their marketing. I was working under their creative director at the time, but he also oversaw all of the IT services for the building. So as I was working with marketing, he was teaching me more about IT, and with marketing kind of going into websites, it just kind of kept flowing from there. I am now working as a network administrator at the Muskegon Area ISD. I think what's important for parents to know when their students attending the Career Tech Center is how those skills learned there are going to directly help them in the workplace, and kind of give them a step ahead when it comes to starting college or even earning college credits, and the opportunity for internships to kind of get your hands dirty a little bit and see if it's the right path for you. I think it's important for students to know that it's not just another class where you can kind of just go off and have fun. It's actually real skills that are going to help them in the real world and get them into a job maybe quicker than if they were to go the more traditional route. Really, I think just the Tech Center is a great way to jumpstart into exploring different industries that you may be interested in without having a lot of investment into it. Besides your time, it's a good way for students to kind of figure out what path is best for them, what they like, what they don't like, and get their hands dirty a little bit and experience with it. I would thank both of my instructors for their time that they invested into the class and into each individual and their projects. I still talk to a couple of my instructors, and I would reach out to them for any advice in the industry.